Okay, so a lot of people have questions about how exactly to set up your quizzes so that your students can see whether or not they have made any errors. So I'm going to do this in my World Lit because I have to create this in one of my quizzes anyway. So I'm going to go to the quiz, which is my quiz on Gilgamesh, and I'm going to click on my submission views. Okay, what the iCollege default is that the students can't see anything. So I'm going to add an additional view. I'm going to name this view. You can name it whatever you want. And then I could put a message in here. I'm not going to. And I'm going to view the restrictions here. And I'm going to go down here to view details. I hit yes, I want to show the questions, and I'm going to show the answers, the questions answered incorrectly. I could also click on correctly and all questions with user responses, etc. And then I'm going to hit save. So now the students have a submission view in here called Students Can See, but I have to also click this and save it to make sure that that view is saved. Okay, so that's it.